What I'm doing with this Olympia is dismantling it so I can clean it and refurbish it. It's extremely dirty. It was poorly stored. And what happens with most typewriters when they're stored, all of the grease and the oil that people put on them, which they shouldn't, solidifies into icky masses, and it's very hard to clean them, but we try. Sometimes we succeed and sometimes we fail. This one was extremely dirty, and I'm getting there, but it takes forever to get it to work. So, but I'm trying. I've got I've already taken the platen out. That's the roller, the rubber part where the keys strike, and underneath the roller is something called a paper tray. The paper comes in here between the platen and these feed rollers, and you can see that. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's very it's got some rust and dirt, and when I get finished cleaning it, I hope it'll be adequate so that I can sell it. If not, then it's a learning experience for me, because I don't think I've ever had one of these totally apart.